This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
In a small village surrounded by hills and little rivers, there was a girl named Maya. She was very kind, but she was scared of the dark woods near the village. Every night as it got dark, Maya would run home fast. She wanted to see what was in the woods, but she was too scared. One day, an old lady named Alara came to the village. She saw that Maya was scared and asked her why. Maya said, "The woods are scary. I don't know what's in there." Alara told her, "Being scared can stop you or help you grow. If you face what you're scared of, you might find out you're braver than you think." Maya thought about this and decided to go into the woods that night. She was very scared, but she kept going. Inside the woods, Maya had to deal with some tough things, but she kept going, and soon she wasn't as scared. When the morning came and the sun started to shine through the trees, Maya walked out of the woods feeling very brave. After that, everyone in the village thought Maya was the bravest person there. She told them her story, and it made them want to be brave too. Maya looked at the woods, not scared anymore, but proud. She learned that sometimes you have to be brave and try new things to have great adventures. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. You are able to say to yourself, "I have lived through this horror. I can take the next thing that comes along." You must do the thing you think you cannot do.